Okay, y'all, it's Tanya and welcome back. Welcome back. I am back with another synthetic slay. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment if you like what you see. And so today's wig is by Sensationnel. It's part of their Vice collection. It's one of their newer wigs. And I got her in this new color that they got, Balyage Platinum. She's really cute. Like, I had to try her. She's really interesting. Yeah, so before I go on, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Follow my business page. The website will be up soon. Also, I have a big cartel for wigs I'm selling, like the outrace and sensational wigs and whatnot. And I have an Amazon storefront, so anything that I use to slay my wigs, you can use it too. So I'm just really showing you how I am laying these wigs. Not really, but really. Like, y'all seen it a million times. Yeah. The ebon lace spray never fails me, ever. Wigs be looking flawless. And on top of that, oh yeah, that's my wig band. You can purchase it from the site, $5. That's it. But on top of what I'm gonna say, but the ebon lace spray, like, I'm not using no edges in this wig. You're gonna see, like, it's gonna look so flawless. Of course, it came from the plucking job. The plucking has to be flawless. But this HD lace, flawless. Flawless, sis. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up so y'all can watch the rest of this. Y'all see how I have to cover my edges on the side? But yeah, I'm gonna get into that when I talk to you about the how I like the wig. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm gonna record this part. I went ahead and did the install. I did record a little bit of the install as you saw just now. But let's get into the wig because, guys, I'm gonna have to straighten her out. Okay, let me go ahead and get into the specs first. Okay, so this is from Sensational's Vice units or Vice line. This is Vice Unit 14, and I have her in this new color, which is Balayage Platinum. But anyway, so let's go over the specs. It has HD lace, check, as you can see. Blends flawlessly. Like, I'm doing this thing for 2023. I said, why not start now? But I basically said I'm not going to be using any more baby hairs unless I have to, you know? Just because, you know, it's trying something different. You know, you a bomb stylist when you don't have to add baby hairs. When you're always adding baby hairs, unless it's at the request of the client, you're not that good about stylists if you have to add baby hairs to blend the wig. So number one, the hairline. Of course, Sensational has this thing, and I want to. Who is the creative director of Sensational Wigs? Because the hairline doesn't come down the side of your face. It tapers off the side, which is okay. Kudos for women who just want to throw the wig on and go. But you have females like me who like to lay the wig, style and lay the wig. I want my hairline to come down here. So what I have to do is basically leave extra lace on to cover my sideburns, and just pull some of the wig hair down just to hide the lace a little bit. But it's only on the side, so whatever. I can make it do what it do. In the beginning, the hairline looked like before I did my plucking. And yeah, so it's a T-part unit. It comes in all these pretty colors. I pointed to the pink because I did purchase the pink one. I was really interested in that when I think it was another style. And I never could get it. It was the Vice unit. So I have another color. You know I got it. I have it. Oh, the Vice unit 10. So this is when like the pink and the blue ombres were popular when they first came out, and everybody was buying them, and they all on TikTok. So I want to get this one. So this is let me go ahead and talk about the hair quality. Is okay. It's a Vice unit, so it's cheaper. It's really reminiscent of I would say Outray's sleek ley line. It has pretty layers, really long layers. But this is the thing that I'm not really feeling about this one. The hair is, I don't know if I like the curl pattern. Excuse my pouch, I'm bloated. But it's, as you can see, I don't know, it doesn't look natural to me. And it's hella thick. Like, if I took the wig and like right here is where the bulk of it is. And it's causing it to tangle. So I probably will straighten it, thin it out. But I'm also going to straighten it out because the curls just make it look wiggy. It makes it look wiggy. So I'm going to probably just go ahead and straighten this wig out. I wanted to review it before and take pictures before I did that. So, you know, y'all see what the wig looks like before I straighten it out. But I'm straightening her out. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I hopped over here to finish this video because my son is trying to enjoy his show and just running around and stuff. But this is the finished results after I straightened her. Yeah, definitely needed to be straightened. It looks more realistic. So this is the back. Let me make sure my tracks is covered this time. But this is the back. I like that the balayage is mainly in the front because I don't know, I just don't really pay attention to the back. But anyway, tell me what you guys think of how I transformed the goddamn wig, because I think I did a good job. I like it. This is definitely a look. I love the color. Tell me if you want me to do a review or install for the pink and blonde one. Oh guys, I added some layers in the front too because it wasn't this short, but I just wanted to add some layers. Anyway, I might add it to my Amazon storefront if I can find it on Amazon. But other than that, you have to Google that joint yourself, sis. Google is your friend, okay? Anyways, thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Check out my Amazon storefront that I just mentioned. Check out my Big Cartel. Also go to my website for my beauty brand, 1111 Beauty, to purchase your mink lashes. These are from the line. I don't have a few left, but these are the style Maria. These are 25mm lashes, guys. So if you're not into that, if you got small eyes, I got big eyes, so they look okay on me. I don't have no issues with them. Don't talk ish about my lashes. Like, I have some big bug eyes, so I can get away with 25mm lashes. Okay, sis. I also have the lip gloss I'm wearing. It's wearing off, but this is from my beauty brand. It's called Laguna Hills. It's a nude, like a taupey nude lip gloss, and I also have another one called Brown Sugar, which is like a nice brown, like a nice yellow tone brown for us. Just the lip gloss that's great for us women of color. My son is not gonna sing. What else? I do have some wigs, but check that out too. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.